Let's make homemade coconut milk from scratch. This is so simple and so easy to make. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is grab a coconut. You can shake it to make sure there's water in it. That's how you know that it's good, maybe. Then you're going to use a hammer or the back of a chopper, or you can smash it on the floor to get out all of the water. You cannot let that good coconut water go to waste. So strain it to get rid of the excess shell that fell into it and drop an ice cube in there, and definitely give that a nice drink because it is super healthy for you. Now you're just going to chop the other pieces into smaller pieces so that it's easier to take the meat of the coconut out of its shell. This part is called oxing the coconut. To ox the coconut, you need a small knife, and you're just going to push the knife in the edges of the coconut all the way until you feel that nice wiggle room where you can take the coconut out. Now we're going to blend the coconut so we can get the nice coconut milk. Chop it up into small cubes, add some warm water to a blender, and blend until you feel like stopping. You can blend for at least 5 minutes. After you've blended your coconut milk, now it's time to strain it. You can use a nut milk bag or a strainer. We will show you how to use both in this video. So the first thing you're going to do is pour your milk into the nut milk bag, pull the string and squeeze the nut milk bag to get all the excess milk out of it. This tool is perfect because it definitely does not leave any pulp at all into your milk. But if you don't have it, you can definitely opt for the strainer, a stainless steel fine strainer, and you pour out your milk, and then you're going to use your hand and squeeze the meat of the coconut to get out all that excess coconut milk. Don't forget to check the description bar for the link of this nut milk bag and also the link for the full recipe and exact measurements. We hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial of how to make coconut milk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.